ChenMed is a value-based healthcare organization. I'm Christin Davis. I am with ChenMed, and I currently oversee our HRIS, process optimization, and HR operations. We provide VIP service to our patients, and that's what we promise our employees. When you come to work for us, you'll be treated just as we expect you to treat our patients. That means our background provider has to be at a VIP level. We were actually with a different provider, as you know, many of us already have someone, and they really were not meeting our needs. So yes, you think, oh, well, they're healthcare, but we have technology roles and accounting roles and all the corporate stuff, and where we're remote, sometimes in office, we have healthcare roles from front of the house, somebody who's a referral coordinator, to a physician or a specialist. In coming to Accurate, we were able to get much better, much more specific packages. So we're checking what we need when we need it checked. For us, time has always been a big piece of the hiring process. Where do we have opportunities to reduce? Not just at the background process, so whether it's offer letters or whatever, but we were able to really get in and reduce our turnaround time and stay compliant. I am a tough customer, and I recognize that. I'm nice, but I'm tough. And I put the background providers that I've worked with in the past really through the paces to measure up. From jump, when we went live with Accurate, I've not had to kind of have those calls where I feel like I'm having to really exert authority. It has been a partnership all along the way. Our customer advisor is amazing. No one else may have her. She will. She's just for ChenMed. Won't even give you her name. There's not one time where something was so amazing, because y'all are consistently delivering the experience we need every single time we have an issue. Our ability to work with your team, whether it's our named customer service person or when we've just had to go in on the chat and talk to somebody, every experience has been at a VIP white glove experience. So the healthcare industry is different. I've worked in a variety of different industries and now in healthcare, and we leverage Accurate for a lot of our solutions, whether it's a criminal background check, whether it's prior employee, employer employment verification, drug testing. We also test, because we're in healthcare, we need to test titers to make sure that there are certain conditions somebody has that they're not bringing into a clinic that could be passed on to one of our patients. So we know we are more compliant today with Accurate than we were before we had Accurate. And that's huge for us, because we don't want employment suits, we don't want patient lawsuits. So working with Accurate, while it's important that we have a great relationship and that we are transactionally really making, getting a background out to a candidate and getting it back quickly, personalizing that experience, really where it has been a changer for us internally, for the leadership team that manages that relationship, is the strategic piece. Something I didn't anticipate when we initially decided to go with Accurate several years ago, and what the relationship would become is how you become a strategic partner at our leadership table, helping us make decisions about where we're going.